So hey guys, welcome to the next video on my channel. Today we are testing the OPPO Reno5A and in the 60 FPS Full HD setting. First I wanted to make a movie in 4K, but it seems that the OPPO is not offering a stabilization in 4K. So that's why I'm now filming in Full HD with 60 FPS. Let us check it out, how the stabilization is, the quality, zooming, colors, etc. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's try out some zoom. Ten times zoom. Now we are at the 2 times zoom. Now back to normal. Taking a look at the sky. Filming the golf car. Let's proceed some walk. So now switch to the front-facing camera. I hope that the stabilization will be working here. So I'm now walking just with a regular walking speed, so you can see how it would be if you would make a vlog with this phone. Alright, so let us proceed filming while walking in a regular speed. So weather made a little change. It was pretty hot and the sun was there, and now it's a bit cloudy again, but basically it's still very warm, late summer. Microphone is now from the phone, so you can now hear the quality. Also walking some people. Let's Alright, I think this test should be enough for you to get some impressions about the camera capabilities of the Reno 5A. So it is basically a mid-range phone, so I would not now expect amazing results, but I think it's pretty alright. Of course, depends on what monitor you are watching this video. But in any case, the phone itself is very nice, and I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions regarding this phone, please don't hesitate to post a comment. Also, hit the like button if this video was nice for you. And yeah, of course, subscribe to help this channel grow. It's still a small channel, so it would be great that if you would subscribe. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time and see you in the next video.